Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download Assassin's Creed Shadows, step by step. But before we jump into the process, let's take a quick look at what makes this game such a must-play. Assassin's Creed Shadows drops you into feudal Japan, where you'll experience the world through the eyes of two dynamic protagonists, Neo, a shinobi assassin, and Yasuke, the legendary African samurai. This game blends stealth, action, and open-world exploration with Ubisoft's signature attention to detail and historical storytelling. You'll sneak through bamboo forests, engage in intense sword combat, and uncover the political tensions shaping the era. Whether you prefer striking from the shadows or going head-on with brute strength, Shadows gives you the freedom to play your way. Now, let's get into how to download and install Assassin's Creed Shadows on your system. There are two simple methods I'll walk you through. First, I'll show you the direct method right here in the video. I'll take you step by step, starting with where to find the game, whether you're playing on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, and then we'll go through the full installation process. Just follow along, and you'll be playing Assassin's Creed Shadows in no time. Second, if you'd prefer a quick reference guide or want to skim through the steps, I've included a detailed written tutorial in the description below. That guide covers everything: how to download, how to install, and even how to troubleshoot any issues that might come up. Plus, you'll find direct links to official sources, so no need to dig around online. We've made this process as simple as possible, so you can get straight into the game without any unnecessary hassle. But if you run into any issues along the way, just drop a comment down below. I'm always here to help and I'll respond as soon as I can. Also, if there's another game you're trying to install or if you want a guide for something else, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new video ideas to help out the community. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any of our future guides, tutorials, or gaming tips. Thanks a ton for watching, and I hope you enjoy every second of Assassin's Creed Shadows. All the links and resources you need are right below. Have a blast, and I'll catch you in the next video.